Yo, 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 what's up?
Yo. What's up?
Alright, I'm super excited tonight. I'm gonna do a night ride, aka Burdelotsarka. The Busa looks good, nice and clean. Alright, let's do this. Oh shit, the merchandise is here. Let's bounce. Gotta turn on the camera, bro. The 360 camera. I'm excited for this one because I don't usually ride the bike at nighttime, because I always have places to go, people to see, things to do, and I'm always busy. But I found some time tonight and I took out the Busa. This is my first video during the night. Pretty cool to see all the gauges light up, because every time I ride the sun is like smacking me in the face. It's nice and cool and refreshing right now. And I was like, let me do this before those 4 o'clock depressant nights kick in. The reason I'm going so slow is because the camera there is kind of floppy. I gave it a little bit of gas and now the camera is going like help, help. So I don't want to lose it. I gotta do a better job next time with that. We are arriving to our destination. Come with me if you want to live. Alright, Marasakas, the Hayabusa is here. Yeah, it's nice and empty. Start doing some burnouts. Wow, this is pretty cool. I haven't done this in a long time. Yeah, it's like nobody's out. I only see a few dopies with a mask, that's it. Politsachen. Nice and easy. Huh? Now that's a dopey now for blocking me. Man, it's freaking hot.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
For being fall time, September, whatever. I don't even know if it's fall time, but it's almost getting there. It's still freaking hot. Here we go. There's some life here. Here we go. Got some more polizia action. Okay. Uh-oh. He's gonna be looking at me now. It's gonna be so awkward. He might be waiting me to do something stupid, but nope. I'm not gonna do anything stupid. No way, Jose. Hola, señor. This is actually pretty enjoyable. You don't even have to go fast to enjoy it. It's like nice and easy. Check around. Yep. Alright, I took the 360 camera off because that thing was too floppy. A lot of construction going on here. Detour по εδώ, detour από εκεί. Man, this is like so challenging to get on the highway here. The freak? Oh man, really? What the It's like detour after detour. Kita. Alright, I think we got it this time. Let's see. The freak is this highway? It's like I'm trying to go on the highway. Oh man, I came right at the police station. Wow. Alright, let me bounce out of here. Oh yeah, we get to do a little acceleration here. Let's see what this Hayabusa got. Alright guys, it's good to be back home. Alright, we're back in the base. Forgive me for that mess in there. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.